OnePlus 10T. The best gaming phone 2022. Great performance.
The OnePlus 10T is a very good smartphone with premium build quality, a great display, top-tier performance, and insanely fast charging speeds. At $649/£629/Euro699/ Indian rupee 44999, it's also one of the best value high-end phones with Qualcomm's powerful and power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It's the first time a OnePlus T phone is being sold alongside the older model while also bearing a near-identical design, but the two phones have quite a lot of differences under their hoods.
Design and build. No alert slider. Unibody design. Gorilla Glass 5.
You'd be forgiven for mistaking the OnePlus 10T for the older OnePlus 10 Pro given their very similar-looking rear plates. On the 10T, the camera module has 4 distinctive rings with 3 camera lenses joined by a circular flash in the top right position.
Display and audio. 6.7 inches flat OLED. 120 Hz. Stereo speakers. The screen on the OnePlus 10T is one of the best things about it.
It's a 6.7 inches FHD plus OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it is phenomenal. It's a better looking panel than the regular Galaxy S22. OnePlus really knows how to tune its displays.
Specs and performance. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Up to 16GB RAM. 128 or 256GB storage. The OnePlus 10T is blazing fast.
It's got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which is basically an overclocked 8 Gen 1, the processor found in the OnePlus 10 Pro, Sony Xperia 1 IV, Vivo X80 Pro, Galaxy S22 Ultra, and several other high-end Android phones.
Battery and charging. 4,800 mAh. 150W wired charging. 1,600 cycle promise.
Alongside its lightning pace, the OnePlus 10T is blessed with 150W wired charging, a small step up on the 10 Pro's already superb 80W speeds, but in reality the difference is minimal in charging times. The compromise on the 10T is that it does not have wireless charging.
Camera and video. Great 50MP main sensor. Inferior ultrawide and macro. Same lenses as OnePlus Nord 2T.
OnePlus has skimped on the camera specs for the 10T compared to the 10 Pro, and nor does it have the Hasselblad camera branding of that phone. In fact, it has the same 3 rear sensors as the OnePlus Nord 2T, a phone that retails £4,369/Euro399 but is not for sale in the US.
Software and updates. Ships with Android 12. 3 years Android updates. 4 years security updates. Let's shine a light on the elephant in the room. OnePlus's Oxygen OS software has changed dramatically in recent years and is basically now the same as Oppo's Color OS bar some minor aesthetic tweaks. BBK Group, which owns both brands, decided to merge the two, so now Oxygen OS looks a lot different to how it did even 2 or 3 years ago. Price and availability.
The OnePlus 10T costs $649/£629/Euro699/ Indian rupee 44999 for the model with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and costs $749/£729/Euro799 to get the 16GB per 256GB version. The former only comes in black and the latter only comes in green.
Specs. Android 12 with Oxygen OS 12.1.
6.7 inches FHD plus 2412 by 1080 AMOLED, 120 Hz, HDR10+.
Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. 8/12/16GB RAM, DDR4.
128/256GB internal storage, UFS 3.1. 50MP, f/1.8 main camera, PDAF, OIS. 8MP, f/2.2 ultra-wide. 2MP, depth. 16MP, f/2.4 selfie camera. Fingerprint scanner, in-screen. Wi-Fi 6. Bluetooth 5.3. GPS. NFC. 5G. Dual-nano SIM. USB-C. 4,800 mAh non-removable battery.
150W wired charging. 163mm x 75.37mm x 8.75mm. 203.5G.